Okay, so this is a very fast trick. You gotta have a very sharp eye, and you gotta have a certain knowledge of magic to know how this works. So someone says stop wherever they wish. Up here, that's fine by me. And they look at this card right here. So you can look at that. I won't peek. And then it is placed somewhere around about the middle of the deck. Just like that. Into the center. And I am not going to get anything there. No. I am going to take the top card. So the top card is, by the looks of things, the Joker. And if I take the Joker and just do a top shot, it changes into your card. And look, every card in the deck is different. And that was, hopefully, your card. So that's a very quick trick, guys. Really precise, really cool. If you want a tutorial, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, just do that, and I'll teach a trick. Right, see ya, bye.